Welcome to You and Your Money, empowering you to reach your goals with tips to help you plan well, invest well, and live well. This month's market update comes from Liesl Cording, Senior Vice President and Financial Advisor at Weiss Halen Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors. Now, on to today's topic.
But just a market recap. How are we doing, Liza? What's going on?
Well, we were talking about it before we got on the show. 2023 had stock markets across and bond markets across the board in positive territory. And we saw the S&P end the year up almost 27%, the Dow over 16%, the NASDAQ up about 45%. So that holds a lot of technology stocks, and the bond aggregate up about 5.5%. So investors were happy last year. And the reason for this was really because we started to see inflation show improvement. And so that means we're probably at the top of raising those interest rates that we've all come to get to know pretty well. Companies continue to hit earnings estimates. We've seen some slower growth, although, and we've seen a really strong consumer. So despite all of this, we still do have some risks out there. We have a potential for maybe a mild recession that we might see, and with that slower economic growth, rates hopefully will come down as expected, but if not, that could rock the markets a bit. Continued geopolitical conflicts, and of course, it's an election year, so we'll probably see plenty of ups and downs this year, just like we saw last year. But stay on track with these ups and downs. Don't let the volatility scare you away from your investment strategy. It's so important.
I was fascinated by the year-end numbers for the market, which you just shared, because it kind of felt as we were trudging through the year, it kind of felt like a train wreck. Yeah. But then at the end, you're like, whoa, wait, what? And the markets really performed quite well.
Yeah, so. Well, once we look at fundamentals and realize, okay, things aren't as bad, and we're sort of getting through this raising of interest rates. So
yeah. So and I think a pretty good lesson. Because that's what you're preaching all the time. Like, just settle down. Yeah. Everybody just calm down, settle down, you know, think long term.
Exactly.
There's bumps in the road, and that's just the way it's going to be.
Exactly.
That's it for today. Thanks for listening to You and Your Money. Find even more episodes, videos, and other resources at our website, whzwealth.com. Be sure to come back next week for more tips to help you live fearlessly and pursue your financial and life goals. Until then, live well. Weiss Halen Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors offers securities and advisory services through Commonwealth Financial Network, member FINRA, SIPC, a registered investment advisor. Fixed insurance products and services offered through CES Insurance Agency. They practice at 697 Pomfret Street, Pomfret Center, Connecticut, 06259, and can be reached at 860-928-2341. Weiss Halen Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors do not provide legal or tax advice. The tenured financial services team strives to support clients in achieving their financial life goals. For more information regarding wealth management and customized financial planning with Weiss Halen Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors, please visit www.whzwealth.com.